Want to take your iPhone photography to the next level in 2024? In this video, we'll dive into the best iPhone lenses to elevate your shots, from wide-angle wonders to cinematic anamorphic effects. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Moment Tele 58mm lens. This lens stands out as the best telephoto lens we tested for iPhones. It effectively brings subjects 2 times closer than the stock iPhone lens, making it ideal for portraits and even landscapes with proper composition. It earned top marks in center sharpness and color rendition, delivering vibrant, crisp images. The telephoto effect offers a significant improvement over the standard lens, and it pairs well with some iPhone telephoto lenses. However, we found a few drawbacks. The lens struggles with flare when shooting toward the sun, and there's noticeable corner softness, which may limit its versatility for some. While we preferred wide-angle lenses more frequently, personal preferences play a big role. For those who often shoot into the sun, the moment-wide 18mm lens might be a better choice, excelling in such conditions. Number 2. Ailun 3-in-1 Clip-On. The Ailun 3-in-1 Clip-On is a solid choice for those curious about trying auxiliary lenses without committing to a high price. For its affordable cost, it delivers respectable performance, particularly with the macro lens, which outperforms more expensive competitors in several key areas. The macro lens is particularly impressive, offering sharp details and vibrant close-ups. However, there are some drawbacks, including the occasional difficulty in removing the macro lens from the mount. At times, it required pliers, which can be frustrating when switching to other lenses like the fisheye. Despite this, the lens is easy to install and fits well on the iPhone XR. If you're looking for a more premium lens kit with higher quality optics, the Xenvo Pro lens kit is a great alternative. Number 3. Moment Anamorphic Lens. An anamorphic lens is designed to create a wider aspect ratio without cropping the image. It achieves this by squeezing the image using a unique glass shape, and the result is a distinct, long and thin flare, a hallmark of cinematic visuals. These lenses are popular among high-end filmmakers, often being used to achieve a dramatic, cinematic look. The Moment Anamorphic lens is our favorite in this category, offering a 1.33x horizontal squeeze, which requires de-squeezing the image to return it to normal proportions. It's sharp, with minimal distortion, and produces rich, slightly warm colors. The lens also has a distinct flare, which is part of its charm. However, its hefty price tag may be a consideration, especially given the need to use Moment's case and app for de-squeezing. Switching the orientation requires a tool to adjust the lens, which can be cumbersome. Despite these challenges, the image quality is excellent, making this lens a highly recommended choice for those seeking cinematic results. Number 4. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. This is a large, versatile option for iPhone photographers. Installation is straightforward, fitting over the stock lens without needing a case. Its color rendition and sharpness are impressive, particularly in backlit conditions. The integrated 2-lens system, where the wide-angle lens screws onto the macro lens, allows for easy switching between the two. While the macro lens isn't as powerful as some others, it still magnifies subjects effectively. However, the lens is bulky, and the case requires a pocket measuring 3.4 inches by 4.7 inches by 2.5 inches. It features a 52mm filter thread, offering compatibility with filters and lens caps. While the corners could be sharper, overall performance is strong. For portability, the Ailun 3-in-1 Clip-On offers a budget-friendly alternative with lower image quality. Number 5. Moment Wide 18mm Lens. This lens delivers excellent image quality with impressive center sharpness, color rendition, and minimal vignetting. It excels in backlit situations, outperforming other lenses in flare control and closely matching the native iPhone lens. Only one rare scenario produced undesirable flare, but it was difficult to reproduce. Installing the lens on the required Moment case is quick and easy. However, edge sharpness is disappointing, with noticeable softness and distortion around the frame, which detracts from the overall quality compared to other high-performing lenses. Additionally, the lens is pricey and requires a proprietary Moment case, increasing the total cost. While the cases are a bit bulky, they are stylish and comfortable. So, which one's the best? the Moment Tele 58mm lens takes the crown for its incredible clarity and zoom power, making it a must-have for iPhone photographers looking to capture stunning details. Let us know your favorite in the comments.